This is HVAC water cooled chiller, the power supply unit. There are the power supply and the cooling power supply, and there are the also BFD. All of the power we want. Then we go to our station, chiller cooled station. There are the first of the all switches they are on, and also the compressor switch also on. And then they are the showing on, all of the indicators are on now and they're looking good. And then you can start there the monitor. The monitor is the system, the auto run. We select the auto run. Then this machine observe the auto, the nice. There are the showing monitor running properly, the good condition, looking good. The graph also nice good. It will run within 5 minutes. Showing there the also good. Also there manual setting.
Unit 1
Auto, gas pump, the auto run, compressor run, evaporator run, indicator also good. Chiller now the good condition. There are also showing the good parts of the monitor. There are the evaporator, condenser, the rating. They are showing all of the good. Compressor on, rating 53, showing water level minimum rate, leveling the water, and the cooling 35. Also there are the menu. The top is the nice going to the running. Evaporator cools, evaporator condenser, to the all of the showing. Then they are checking the sections temperature 61.